Hello, this is Christine from Namkoo Solar Power. Today we will complete package and ship our 378 on-grid solar system project to Georgia. This project is not only about delivering solar panels, it's about transforming energy consumption for bustling package factory. Our clients, a package factory, operates over 10 hours daily, consuming a substantial amount of electricity. Namkoo designed a solar solution that not only meets the energy demand, but also contributes to the local power grid. Our engineers examined the factory's roof and determined that it could house a 378 kilowatt of solar power. The client applied for a 320 kilowatt grid connection license with the local power grid. The project comprises cutting-edge 600 mono solar panels, 110 kilowatt on-grid inverters, and a set of accessories to make this solar dream a reality. And here's the star of the show. The solar panels are anti-bifacial solar module, which has high power generation efficiency. Before this solar system is shipped out, we do a set of testing: EL test, IV power test, appearance test, ensuring that they are not only reliable, but also exceptional. Once the panels pass our test, we pattern up with care according to clients' requirements, ready to make their way to the Georgian destination. We look forward to the arrival of the shipment in Georgia and completion of installation. Follow our channel for more updates on our solar projects in different countries.